Yo, this is how you make cold cucumber seaweed soup. Ooh. You could either make this into a side dish or into a noodle dish. On a hot, sweaty day, this cold soup is just super refreshing. Yo, what's going on, guys? It's summertime, so I wanted to make some summer recipes. So it's getting hot outside and I wanted some cold, something refreshing. So today we decided to make some uwi mi역 naengguk. All right, so first thing first, we're gonna soak the seaweed in water. If you look at it right now, it's just a little bit of seaweed, right? But once you soak it in water, give it about 30 minutes and it's gonna bloat up. I'll let that sit. All right, so while we're waiting for the seafood to puro, now we're gonna chop up some vegetables. Chop up my scallion. Boom. Bop. Lately, I've just been having fun chopping up with this knife. It's my favorite. And then now we're gonna chop up our cucumber. We're gonna chop the ends. Boom. Bop. And you could just slice it right now, but I'm actually gonna gonna peel the cucumbers a little bit. Just like that. You don't have to actually peel your cucumber, but my baby's eating it too, so I'm just, peeling the hard end of the cucumbers. Of course, I'm gonna be using my mandolin to speed it up. Just like that, baby. If you're wondering where to get this, I think it's on my blog or my YouTube channel. Check it out. And you have to be careful with mandolin. I see so many people cutting themselves with it. All right, I'm gonna cut this about an inch long. All right, so now we have our vegetable prepared. I'm gonna throw in the cucumbers. Just like that. I'm gonna throw 2 teaspoons of salt. Just like that. And I like to chargo that. I like to just soak it in salt real quick. Let the excess water and all the flavor to come out. Boom. Remember that little seaweed we had? It's like literally 4 or 5 times bigger. Look at that. Boom. All right, so we're gonna blanch the seaweed for about a minute. Boom. We don't want to blanch it more than like 30 seconds to a minute, all right? Just like that. I'll bring it over. All right, we're gonna run it in cold water. I give that a quick rinse. Squeeze out all the excess water in the seaweed. You see how long this is right here? That's why you gotta chop them up. Like that. Just boom, bop, bop. Just like that. Now throw in my seaweed. Boom, and the scallions. All right, so now all the vegetables in. Let's make the sauce. 1 tablespoon of sugar. If you like it sweet, you could go 2. 4 tablespoons of vinegar. 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce. Yeah, 1.5 tablespoons of beche, aka plum syrup. 1/2 tablespoon of chamchiak, aka fish sauce. 1/2 tablespoon of garlic. And 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Give that a nice little mix. And 4 cups of water. Let's go, baby. Give that a nice little mix. So this is gonna take 실콤달콤, which means sweet and sour. And from here, if you want a little bit more saltier or sweeter, add a little bit more salt or add a little bit more sugar, all right? All right, moment of truth. Whew. Also, this is totally optional. You could add a little bit of onion and some pepper for the extra kick. But since I'm making this for my wife, I'm gonna skip all the spice, all right? Usually us Koreans, when we eat something refreshing, we're like, 시원하다. So what I like to do is I like to save it to a container like this. And if you needed an extra panchan on the side, I'll just move it just like this. Boom. Or what you could do is you could just take these out, cook some noodles, and make yourself some noodle dish. It goes perfect with a somen noodle. Boom. All right, so here we have some boiling hot water. Add a little bit of salt. And now we're gonna add in some somen noodles. All right, so it's been about 3-4 minutes. Noodles done. All right, rinse that joint up, just like that. Grab your noodles. Add your cold cucumber soup, just like that. So you can make it into a side dish like this, or you could turn it into a noodle dish, just like this. So when you're adding a noodle, what I would like to do is I'll probably add a little bit more salt, you know? Because this was intended to be perfect as it is. And if the noodles added, it's gonna be a little bit bland. So you could add a little bit more salt to it, all right? Let's go. Whew. So initially, I actually made this to show you guys how to make the cold cucumber soup. But somehow this ended up being a noodle recipe. Boom, bam, 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 bada, bada, bam. 신났네, 신났어. Man, my energy just turned up. 맛있게 맛있나 봐, you know? Let me know if there's any summer style dish that you guys want me to cook. I know a lot of people request for the spicy noodles or the naengmyeon, the buckwheat noodles. What else is summer menu? Dongchimi, I think I just put that out as well too. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, 여보세요.